Hello, and welcome to Eating Healthy with Michelle. My name is Michelle Schubert, and I work for Iowa State University, Extension and Outreach in Cerro Gordo County. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about this one. Any ideas what it might be? Today, we're going to learn about cauliflower. So first, do you think cauliflower is a fruit or a vegetable? Give me 2 claps if you think it is a fruit. Give me 2 claps if you think it is a vegetable. Cauliflower is a vegetable. So, how does it grow? Cauliflower grows as a plant close to the ground. The part of the plant that we eat is the flower part. The green leaves actually cover the flower buds of the cauliflower, which prevents the chlorophyll or the green part in the plants from developing and allows the cauliflower to stay white. Cauliflower actually means cabbage flower. Now, some cauliflower does grow in Iowa, usually in a garden, but almost all the cauliflower grown in the United States comes from California. The interesting thing about the cauliflower is that it's available year-round, but it is more plentiful in the fall. When buying cauliflower from the store, you want to look for cauliflower that has tightly packed florets that are firm and creamy white in color. You also want to look for bright green leaves. You want to avoid cauliflower that has brown spots or loose sections that are spread out. Cauliflower can be purchased fresh or frozen. So how are some ways that we can eat cauliflower? Cauliflower can be eaten raw or cooked. It can be eaten plain or with a favorite dip, like ranch. Cauliflower can be steamed as a side dish with some butter and salt or melted cheese added to it. Cauliflower can be baked or roasted, like I have here, with some roasted cauliflower. Cauliflower can be added to salads, like this one, to stir fries, soups, stews, casserole dishes, like this one, and pasta. Cauliflower can also be made into veggie tots, which are like tater tots, but made with cauliflower. Cauliflower can be riced or mashed as mashed cauliflower. Did you know you can also have cauliflower as the crust of your pizza? This crust is made out of cauliflower. So now that we know all these great ways to eat cauliflower, why should I eat it? Cauliflower has vitamin C, which helps our body in 3 different ways. It helps get rid of the germs in our body, heals our cuts and bruises, and can keep our skin healthy. Cauliflower has fiber, which helps our tummy or our digestive system and can help us feel full longer in between meals. Cauliflower has folate, which may help lower the risk for heart disease. Cauliflower may also help prevent certain types of cancers. This week, I encourage you to try some cauliflower at home. If you would like to know some more information about cauliflower or some recipes to try at home, like the roasted cauliflower, check out our newsletter that goes along with this video. You can find it on our website. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.